Hello everyone, welcome back. Thank you for coming. Today I have another plant unboxing video for you guys. The unboxing I have here today came to me from this plant seller on Shpock. Shpock is a site, an app where people sell their second-hand things and also plants and whatever they want. So I got these from Shpock. I'm looking forward to see the plants I've ordered. I've got a Hoya cutting, I've got a Syngonium cutting, and I've got a prayer plant also. So let's open it to see what we find. Very cute. She put a sticker of a cactus sticker. It's a big box. All the plants I have here, I paid, I believe, about 25 pounds. It cost her quite a lot, £5, 80 pence, to post this box. It's like 30 for 25 centimeters with the plant for me. So which means that yeah, she ended up with 20 quid compared to the 25 that I originally paid for the plants. So it's very well packaged. As you can see, she take consideration to put a fragile in the box. So let's see what we have. I love it when sellers take a great consideration in our plant. Oh, here is one. Oh, he is my baby. Oh, look at him. Oh, guys, look at how beautiful this is. It's a Syngonium. I don't know the second name. I think she has it down. I didn't pay attention, but this is still moist. And it's got roots. It was probably rooting in water. Can you guys see? The roots, and it's beautiful. It's absolutely beautiful. Look at the size of this. So big. I love it. It's beautiful. What a lovely plant. I never seen this actually. Beautiful. Thank you. Thank you, Andrea. It's beautiful. This is my first cutting. I'll put this guy here. No, wait, that doesn't. Okay, let's put it like that. And oh, now I have my second one. This should be a Hoya cutting. Oh yes, it's a Hoya. It's not a cutting, guys. It's more like a separation. It's very big. So she divided her plant and she sent me this beautiful bunch of her Hoya. Wow, what a lovely plant! The leaves are very. How do I describe it? Very dense, very heavy. The plant is heavy. It's got splashes on it, and it's not a large. It's small, the size of a pinky finger, more or less. It's very pretty. Very lovely cutting. I've seen this plant on sale on Hortology as well. But I didn't want to buy it from them because I wanted a cutting. I didn't want a full plant. And Andrea sent me just the right size that I can put together with my other plants and grow well. She said it hasn't flowered for her yet, but that's okay. I think it can flower soon, given it the right conditions. I can see any peduncles, but I can see that it's a proliferous grower because the amount of roots that is got on all along is amazing. Beautiful plant, is just a perfect size. I paid £10 for this cutting, and postage was included because she sent with the other ones. But at the end of the day, her postage ended up being £5.80, which is more than originally she had agreed. But she didn't say anything. I think she appreciated it. I appreciated that it was expensive, and I appreciate that. So our next dealings, I hope that I make up for her. So what else do we have? I think we have one more, guys. Yes, we have one more. We have another beauty, and we have a box full of peanuts. She took great consideration on the packaging. So this one should be a prayer plant. Let's have a look. Yes, it is. How pretty is that? How pretty is that? It's cute. It's absolutely cute. It's so cute. It's so cute. Oh my God, this is so cute. I didn't have one of those yet. This is my first one of this type. I hope you guys can see the leaves. And underneath it's red. It's a prayer plant. I have the name for it on the auction, on the sale page. It's very pretty. Look, the things you can find when you look in a different, where you're not expecting. So this came, I think I paid the £7 for this. £7, £5, £7. One or the other for these two, 5 and 7. And I paid £3.50 for postage. And no, I paid 15 quid for these two with postage, and another 10 for this one. In total, I paid £25 for this lovely plant. I love it. And it's so nice to trade with other people that collect, because this allows them to go for the wish list plant if you buying, and you know that you can find something interesting from a trader, a collector, instead of a big seller, you know, like hortology is a big seller. And Andrea is possibly a plant collector. I've seen she has some quite nice plant that she has sold in the past, and she still has lots on Shpock. And but it gives such a pleasure. Look, I wouldn't find this one on hortology. You know, this is a Syngonium. It's a rarer variety. We don't find it in nurseries. This one we do. This one, the Hoya, we do. But what the joy of trading with fellow plant lovers. So this is it, guys, what I've gotten from Shpock Plant by Hoya, Syngonium, and prayer plants. I put the name, scientific name down for you guys. Okay, thank you so much for watching. I'll plant them. I'll let you know how they settle. Okay, guys, thank you for watching. Bye bye.